With the recent announcement from the government that more school-aged students will be offered a COVID vaccination, educational establishments using SIMS may want to record details of a student's vaccination in their MIS. This video demonstrates how you can customize the lookups in SIMS to record this data and how easy it is to create a report if needed. The details can be recorded as a type of immunization in a medical event linked to the student's record. To add a new value to the lookup, select Tools, Maintain Medical Event. Click on Search and then double-click to open the immunization event type. You will now be presented with all the values currently saved for this lookup. To add a new value, click on New on the right-hand side. Enter in a code of your choice, for example C-19, and then a description such as COVID vaccination. Once you are happy with the details, click on OK and then Save. Before the values can be used in a student's record or in the reporting dictionary, you will need to log out of SIMS and back in again. To record the details of a vaccination, once you have the student record open, navigate to the Medical section and locate the Medical Event panel. Click on New on the right-hand side. Now, select Immunization as the event type, and you will then see from the second lookup option the COVID vaccination entry. You can now record additional details as required, such as the date. Once recorded, click on OK and then Save. We will now walk you through a basic report design to list all of those with this new event recorded in their record. Select Reports, Design a report, create a new report, Students, On Roll. We will select basic details for this demonstration and then navigate to the medical area. Once expanded, double-click to add the medical events sub-report. You can now choose the required data. We're going to include the description and the date. Your school could be recording lots of different medical events, so we're now going to filter the report to include only those who have had the COVID vaccination saved. Highlight the medical event sub-report and then click on the red Define Settings button on the right-hand side. Now, click on the New button for a new filter. Select the description field, choose the condition Begins, type COVID, and then OK. We're also going to untick the option Include records with no such person medical events. Let's preview the report. While my example may not have much data, we now know this report works. Click on Design to return to the Report Design wizard. You can now complete the report as you require. Don't forget to save all your hard work. Thank you for watching.